The animals are releasing their scathing attack.
But it's not at me, is it? Please tell me it's not.
Finally, I can see what I used to think I could always see. A local schizophrenic was heard shouting at her shrink after he randomly saw the shit she had been seeing for years but bullied her into silence as if it ever was made public. Then he would be sent off to the loony bin because he's seeing what a schizo is seeing.
Don't come here ever again or I'll see to it that Johnny rips your clothes to shreds and feeds them to the local moths. A local shopkeeper was heard shouting at a shoplifter who was apparently trying to life the shop but was ill-equipped. But when all is said and done, at the end of the day, when the shopkeeper told his tale, he realized that him and the shoplifter had something in common. They both like shops. Bills and pills are the last things on both of their minds.
Can you please make all these annoying babies stop crying, because if you don't I will throw my cock at you. A local rapist was heard whining to the teachers who brought the kids on a field trip to the rapist's domains, and it was eye-opening for all involved. The rapist discovered that he never wanted children. The children discovered they never wanted to be a rapist, and well, the teachers, they discovered that their job is hilarious watching a rapist duke it out with 15 5-year-olds.
I had a fascination with oranges when I was 5.
And how did they assault you? Did they think your fascination was a sexual advance and your squeezing tight of them was getting all their juices flowing and ready to explode into your mouth?
I never did anything of that such nature, and you can't prove shit.
Is your little Willie in a knot?
I should ask you the very same question. Is your tiny little Willie in an untangleable knot?
No. No, it is fucking not. How dare you talk like that on live television?
You always play that card when I say something too close to home, but when you say things that hit to my very core, I have no other choice but to take it lying down like a whore.
But you say things like that and really bring it on yourself.
I am gonna pour tomato soup all over you later because you will have brought that on yourself because you're such a fucking fussy eater and I just can't seem to cook like the way you want and you're wasting away.
I am not though. My children aren't hungry and scared.
What children? You don't have any fucking children. You are a child yourself, and unless you grew of agers, I don't see you having any children.
I am just fucking with you, mommy. I'd never have a child because unlike you, I don't need to have a child to further my career or give me the attention I've been so longing for.
I don't crave it, I need it.
Someone needs to kill you someday.
And if they do, they can have a big ol' prize and a thank you from society.
Temples are moving, all the motherfucking temples are moving. A local archaeologist was heard screaming in terror as the temples were all after upping sticks and leaving to a new and unnamed land, all in the name of saving a few doll hairs and rent. You'd think by now that the temples being world renowned and everything they'd get free rent, but mommy still charges them because she says nothing in Cuntland should be free unless it's free for her.
That is not true. They were draining the Mommyville resources of good old fucking attention. So they really had to fucking go.
The third hurdle. Member of Parliament were up in arms this morning after terrors in the night became terrors in the day and in turn became terrors in the evening. This ruined their lives, their computers and their emails, and this left them feeling really quiet stupid.
A rally of money men were arrested after they threw wads of money at bystanders after their peace rally turned violent and the money they were owed was counterfeit and they just wouldn't stand for it. Law and order officials were down at the scene quicker than you could say are they dead yet, and they were disposed of and will never be heard of again.
The third degree. Manganese dioxide was caught floating along the coast of Mommyville late last night after a very worried Mommyvillian called the police in a panicked frenzy and told them just what he saw, and they came down and took the manganese dioxide away in a brown cardboard box, and terrible people were held accountable for the shit they thought they'd get away with.
And you have been watching the Peninsula Report Munch Me Thursdays presented by Mommy and that Shank Hank.
And that crab-infest mommy over there. Hey bitch over there, shave off all your hair. I know you got crabs, I can see you bitch itchin'. If you wanna have a scratch you better go out back, cause if you do it in front of the camera I'll fucking stab you in your back.